Mastering formal vocabulary in academic writing. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's lesson, we'll delve into the exciting world of academic writing and research papers. One of the critical aspects of academic writing is the use of formal vocabulary. It not only improves the quality of your writing, but it also gives your arguments authority and credibility. Let's get started. So, what exactly is formal vocabulary? Formal vocabulary refers to words and phrases that are more commonly used in formal, professional, or academic contexts. These are often more specific and precise words that show a deep understanding of the topic. Some examples of formal vocabulary include words like generate instead of make, or evaluate instead of check. We'll look at more examples later on. Formal vocabulary is a cornerstone of academic writing. It demonstrates your knowledge and understanding of the subject matter. Academic texts are intended to communicate complex ideas and research findings clearly and effectively. As such, every word counts. The right choice of words can greatly enhance the clarity and impact of your writing. Now, how can you identify formal vocabulary in academic texts? Look out for complex and specific terms that are related to the field of study. These terms often provide detailed and nuanced information about the topic. For instance, in a scientific research paper, words like photosynthesis, biodiversity, or neurotransmitters could be part of the formal vocabulary. Incorporating formal vocabulary in your writing might seem daunting at first. However, by reading extensively within your subject matter and noting down unfamiliar words, you can gradually expand your vocabulary. Remember, context is crucial when using formal vocabulary. Always use words that are appropriate for your topic. For example, you wouldn't use a term like amortization in a biology paper, because it's related to finance, not biology. The best way to master formal vocabulary is through practice. Try to write as much as possible, and always aim to use a wide range of vocabulary. Don't forget to proofread your work and use a dictionary or thesaurus if needed. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on formal vocabulary in academic writing. We hope you found it insightful and helpful. Remember, formal vocabulary is a powerful tool in your academic writing arsenal. It might take some time to master, but with practice and dedication, you'll soon become an expert. Keep learning, keep writing, and see you in our next video.